Is there anybody on the field in particular that you're excited to see?
I don't know them youth.
Yeah, the play them. Just want to get to know some players. We're here today at the Catherine Hall Sporting Complex with
Katrina Virgo.
We're here with Miss Virgo. First of all, Miss Virgo, it's a beautiful day for football. How are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling great because I'm out with my son.
Alright, so Jamaica doesn't play very frequently in Montego Bay. Are you from Montego Bay?
No, I'm not from Montego Bay. I'm from Kingston. My son is from Montego Bay.
Oh, so you traveled to Mobile to have a day out with the son?
No, definitely. But I am here because my son passed for Irwin High. So I'm here to stand with him and see him through high school. That's my only reason for being here.
We're here with a young Reggae Boyz fan. What's her name?
Tonya Renee.
Tonya Renee. Alright, Tonya Renee. First of all, you're in Montego Bay. Are you from Montego Bay?
No.
Where are you from?
Kingston.
So how you come so far?
Traveled.
First of all, how are you guys feeling? Mega asking the individual about today. How are you feeling about today and to come watch some football?
Well, I don't know, I have to wait till I see the game start.
It's a beautiful day for football. How are you feeling?
Good.
Great.
And are you guys from Montego Bay or do you guys travel to see this game?
Live in Montego Bay.
So how you feel that most of the games are played in Kingston? When you don't want to see more Reggae Boyz at Mobile?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they should have more games playing in Montego Bay, honestly, because they get more support down here from the west.
Alright, so it's a good day for football. Are you excited to see the Reggae Boyz play?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen them play before?
No.
So this is the first Reggae Boyz game?
Yes.
Alright, so are you from Montego Bay or are you from other parts of the country?
Savlamar.
Oh, Savlamar. So how does it feel to have Reggae Boyz football out west?
Yeah, it's a good look.
You think so them for keep the Reggae Boyz football catching on more often?
Yeah, but I like that.
Alright, so what are you expecting to see today from the football?
Well, being out from morning, I expect a great game.
So them can't let you down.
No, I don't want them let me down, you know. But whether win or lose, I am always supporting Jamaica no matter what.
Alright. Which ball are you come for see?
Leon Bailey.
Leon Bailey not play.
You not play today?
No, Leon Bailey not play today.
Tell him.
Anybody?
I'm supporting all of them.
All of them.
Yeah, and win, lose or draw, I am always going for Jamaica no matter what.
So how much you think the match are done?
4-2 Jamaica win.
4-2 Jamaica win. That's the prediction from these people right here. People, come here, come Javante and Patrida. 4-2 Jamaica. So which player are you most excited to see today?
Whisper.
Why?
Because he's 17-year-old and he's on the Reggae Boy team.
Well, honestly, you know, me someone little one come from when they play what? Chelsea? Yeah, more see the one that's still, you know. And Mariana yeah.
Which baller?
Omari Hutchinson.
Omari Hutchinson.
Yeah.
So wait, then I probably Omari Hutchinson you talk about, you know, but today one of the other baller then him signed for Chelsea too. Whisper, so we have 2 Chelsea players on the field right now.
Whisper?
Yeah, Whisper signed for Chelsea. Yeah. For KC. Yeah, all man income.
All man income.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going. So we have two Chelsea players on the field today. Is there anybody on the field in particular that you're excited to see?
I don't know them youth.
Yeah, the play them. Just want to get to know some players. Alright, so here from a young fan, and why you say the game is going to draw today?
Or we could win.
Or Jamaica can win?
Either way.
Who you think will score the goal?
Is Antonio playing today?
No, Antonio's not playing today. She said Michael Antonio. We hope to see you now. What you mean next week? Week after next? You think that's Michael Antonio? No, could say. I said we're playing against Trinidad and there's a big Caribbean rivalry between Trinidad. Do you think we'll get better than them today?
Yeah, man.
Give me a score line.
2-1.
Alright, people, here with her. 2-1. Yeah, so what do you think the possible outcome today?
One easy 2-0.
Easy 2-0?
Yeah.
And how about you?
Yeah, man, I give them a 1-0.
Who you think are going to score a goal?
Whisper Hutchinson.
Whisper Hutchinson the 2 goal. And when people there have it, 2 Reggae Boyz fans from Montego, the second city.